Just because of all the shit it's gonna be able to.
Why do you do this when in the moment couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me? Eternal optimist, I make the best of it. Couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me. Why do you do this when in the moment couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me? Eternal optimist, I make the best of it. Couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me.
I'm not done yet. I gave up last night because it's a freaking lot of circles. But this is the Allen Boss method of fixing holes. Yeah, I think it's gonna look good after we paint everything one color. I realized I should probably do more prep before I just start going ham.
It was toxic for me.
Progress, started prepping. More dots. Hot box sauna. Got all the Dippin' Dots dotted up. Got some ghetto bougie masking going on with the hydros. And I still gotta vacuum out again.
Why do you do this when in a moment couldn't see your behavior was toxic for me? Eternal optimist, I make the best of it.
Alright. Dan, don't get mad at me. But I got you a car cover for the overspray, protecting the necessary goods.